y'all. I'm Patty, and it's the Little Red Southern Kitchen. I think we got a pretty good show today. But before I tell you what we're doing, I do have something to tell y'all. On Monday night, February 1st, we lost Nikita. She crossed the Rainbow Bridge. It's been kind of a rough week for me, because she was my companion through the day, because you know Tony leaves for work at 3 in the morning, sometimes doesn't get home till 7 or 8 at night, and I never realized how much of a part she played in my day. But I'm dealing with it better. She lived a very long, she would have been 15 in July, and very spoiled life, but within 10 months we lost both of our fur babies, so right now we're just going to try being empty nesters for a little while. Anyway, what I am fixing today, I have another surprise for y'all. I'm doing another Kardea Brown's recipes from Food Network, Delicious Miss Brown's. She did a grilled Caesar salad a couple of weeks ago. I'm not going to be grilling mine. Mine's just going to be a regular Caesar salad, but her dressing is, I'm going to make her homemade Caesar dressing. You know, in a Caesar dressing, I'm not sure if you realize it or not, you usually use egg yolks. She cut corners and used mayonnaise. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get off here, and I've got some hearts of romaine lettuce here, and I'm going to cut this up and spin it, and wash it and spin it, and crush a couple cloves of garlic, and then we'll be right back. See y'all shortly. Okay, what I did was I cut up some romaine and spun it. Alright, we're going to start first with mayonnaise. I am doubling her recipe, so I need a half a cup of mayonnaise. I need a couple of teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I don't have any Grape Poupon. This is Walmart's brand best. And I don't know if y'all are aware, a lot of people don't realize this, but Caesar dressing has anchovies in it. And it's not enough to make a fishy taste. Anchovy is very salty, but I'm using anchovy paste because I wouldn't know what to do with the little extra things. And it calls for half a teaspoon for a single, but I'm going to just put a little bit. I'm going to heap it. I'm not going to put actually a whole teaspoon in here. It probably is about a whole teaspoon, but that's all I put in there. But it's very salty, so watch your salt if you add more. I need a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And I pressed 3 cloves of garlic. More to your liking. And some salt and pepper, but I'm not going to add any salt because I know anchovy paste is extremely salty. And I need a little bit of grated Parm. Then I'll make a mess. Call for a couple of tablespoons. Because I'm also going to add shaved parm to my thing. To my, I hope this is enough. Like I said, I'm just making 2 salads. Excuse me. And because it's going to be thicker, you do want to just thin it out with a little bit of water. We're having some ribeyes and loaded mashed potatoes tonight. But we're going to eat our salad first and then wait, because it is Super Bowl Sunday. Alright, I'm going to get a couple of plates and we'll start building our salad. Be right back. Alright, I decided to do it a little bit differently because we're eating the same salad. I'm not adding anything to it. Tony likes his with shrimp, but I have any, but I was going to do it chicken, but we're making a meal out of this. So what I'm going to do is I want to
I guess you meant to say dump this in here?
Well, no, I'm going to see how. I don't want to overdress it. Some things can be overdressed. Some things can be underdressed. Yeah, I think that's good enough for right now if we want more. Then I have some shaved parm. And some croutons. These are garlic and Romano. Paper plate today. Not to eat steaks. More than 2 salads. Alright guys, our shortcut Caesar salad dressing is ready and our salads are built. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join us in the family. I'd love to have y'all. Share this on your social media, leave me a comment, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And guys, love everybody, and don't forget your babies. Alright, y'all have a good one. Salad's ready. Bye.